Hey there, welcome back to our incredible channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of interior design and exploring an exciting and innovative concept, the Interior Experience Center. Picture yourself stepping into a world where the magic of interior design comes to life, where you can immerse yourself in a diverse range of design concepts, products, and cutting-edge technologies. That's precisely what an Interior Experience Center is all about. These centers are meticulously designed, aiming to provide visitors with a rich and immersive experience that allows them to dive into an incredible world of design aesthetics, materials, and spatial arrangements. Surrounded by the walls of these centers, you'll find yourself immersed in the full spectrum of residential and commercial design, ranging from the sleek and contemporary to the cozy and warm traditional style. The best part? These centers are specially designed to be accessible to everyone, so anyone can explore, be awestruck by, and be inspired by the amazing world of interior design. So, for interior design enthusiasts or just someone who values a well-designed space, don't miss out on the chance to check out an Interior Experience Center near you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for even more stunning design insights. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.